Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Ring that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments and everything. Today I'll be doing something different. You can cook this electric skillet, all the stove, all the Power XL. Today it's very simple. I'll be using electric skillet. I'll be cooking for breakfast today. Today for breakfast we'll be having some rice. We'll be having some sunny side eggs. And we'll be having some Tuyo. This right here is an Asian fish, or it could be American fish. But this right here is a very good fish right here. It's very salty and everything. Me and the family love it. My kids love it. Dad, why don't you make some Tuyo today? So I get up this morning, I'm gonna make some Tuyo. As you can see, the fish is nice and good and everything. The scales is still on them for you, all you first time. If you're gonna try it, the scales stay on it while you frying it. You take the scale off after you fry it. So we'll be doing a lot of these right here. And also to give you a little heads up, it have a very strong smell and it's very salty. So you're gonna eat this with rice and everything. Like I say, it's very delicious once you start eating it. So I have this Tuyo, and I have this sunny side eggs, and I have some rice. And the only ingredients I'll be using today is a little black pepper, a little salt on the eggs. Not too much, just a little, because this right here, it is seasoning up very good. Okay, I'm gonna put my electric skillet on 350. Like if you do it in the Power XL, you can put it on 350. And I'm just gonna use a little vegetable oil. I'm gonna pour it in there because I'm gonna do the eggs first. Get them out the way. Just pour it in there just like this. That right there should be enough oil for the eggs. And this vegetable oil look like it's pretty much hot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna crack my eggs and put them in. I'm gonna put 5 eggs in like that. Just put them in. Just like that. Okay, what I'm doing right now, I'm just shaking them up. And I know everybody know how to fry eggs already, but my kids don't like the yellow puff up. So what I do, I just kind of just break it down like this, like that, flatten them out a little. So when I flip them, they go right over. Just like that. Flip them. I'm gonna put a little black pepper on them just like this. Then I'm just gonna use just a little salt. Like that, because everything else gonna blend in. So I'm gonna just start flipping them like that. Flip them. Just like that. Let it cook. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, so I'm taking these eggs out. These eggs is ready. Just take them out and sit them on this plate just like this. Just like that. As you see, the eggs is looking nice and good and everything. And now I'm gonna pour my vegetable oil in the skillet for the Tuyo. I'm gonna just pour it in just like this and everything, so it can just get a nice good fry. This right here only take a couple minutes and everything. I'm gonna let it get a little hotter. And my grease is hot. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put this Tuyo in. As you see it looking nice and good and everything, I'm gonna just put it in. Just like that. Like I say, this only take a couple minutes. Put it in just like that. This is so easy. I like using my hand. Put them in just like this. And also, just the ones that never cooked this before and it's going to be their first time cooking it, you can buy this at any Asian store. Also, you know it's going to smell, so you have to get used to the smell. So this right here is going to be delicious.